In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create months worth of high-quality video content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts in the next 5 minutes or less. Now, imagine if you could take any long video that you created in the past, be it a podcast, a webinar, a YouTube video, a Zoom call recording, or even a video from YouTube in any niche, and then chop it down into 100 seconds of short, bite-sized consumable social media videos with meaningful clips, colorful captions, attention-grabbing animations, and frames added to them, ready to be published on your TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Sounds great, right? One 20-minute long video can produce over 100 short video clips. That's 3 videos published every day for a month. If each video gets 100 views on average, that's 100,000 views a month from a single 20-minute long video that doesn't even have to be yours. 100,000 views at 1% conversion on a $20 ebook or course or service means 1,000 sales and $20,000 in revenue every single month. That's exactly what marketers like Alex Hormozi, Peng Joon, and influencers like Andrew Tate and Ben Patrick have been doing to generate massive following and on-demand traffic to their offers. But they have huge budgets and a big team, and doing this manually is a nightmare. We figured there had to be a better, faster, and more efficient way to do this, and that's when we went into work. And after months of R&D, tweaking, beta testing, and optimizing, we finally have a solution. Introducing BiteSyzed, the world's first and only video app that multiplies your content 100 times using AI speed. BiteSyzed uses AI to watch the entire video you upload, find meaningful and useful short clips from your videos, chop them out, adds captions, emojis, animations, and more, and creates 100 of short video clips for you to use on your social media within 5 minutes or less. Imagine taking that long webinar or talk you recorded and in just minutes, unleashing a flood of captivating, bite-sized clips ready to go viral. With BiteSyzed's revolutionary AI context technology, you're not just editing, you're amplifying, and it's super easy to use. Log into the dashboard and upload your long-form video. BiteSyzed AI will start analyzing the content of the video, watching it, understanding it, and start creating bite-sized short video clips with context and meaningful content from your video in minutes. And then it'll automatically add captions to all the clips, add emojis to all of them, and even add frames and animations to make the clips look brand new and unique, making them more appealing and attention-grabbing. All done in minutes, automatically using real artificial intelligence. You can customize each clip as you like. You can change from 9 to 16 to 16 to 9, 1 to 1, or even 3 to 4. Edit the font type, color, size, and everything in between. Once you're satisfied, click the render button and all your video clips will be rendered. BiteSyzed will then automatically create titles, captions, and hashtags for each clip that you can easily edit, customize, and change the tone either manually or using AI, and then share the clips on your social media instantly right from inside your dashboard. How cool was that? The best part of using BiteSyzed is that you can use not only your own long-form videos, but other videos as well without copyright issues. In 2012, YouTube had over 4 million Creative Commons free-to-use videos, which is 40 years worth of footage to remix and reuse. In 11 years, this has 100x'd. There are millions of copyright-free videos on YouTube in all sorts of niches that you can use with BiteSyzed and create copyright-free video clips using its video customization technology. You will never run out of content when using BiteSyzed. Using BiteSyzed, you can create short content YouTube channels for profits, TikTok videos to dominate your niche, create product review videos for affiliate marketing, dominate Instagram Reels and gain thousands of new followers, or create engaging video content for your clients. Wait, did I just say clients? That's right. BiteSyzed, for a limited time only, comes packed with the commercial usage license. This gives you unrestricted rights to create high-quality, engaging short videos for your clients and charge thousands of dollars in fees. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, a course creator, a local consultant, or an agency owner, BiteSyzed gives you a truly unfair advantage when it comes to video marketing this year, allowing you to create and publish hundreds of content-rich videos in just minutes. Forget being creative and forget creating content, hiring expensive freelancers, or juggling sophisticated video editing software. BiteSyzed handles the entire video creation process for you, saving you hundreds of dollars in production costs and complicated software. There's nothing to install, and it's so easy that even a child can do it. Create your BiteSyzed account and get instant access today. However, this offer won't last long, and the price is increasing every few hours. And if you act now, you'll receive not only our commercial usage license, but also some very useful bonuses mentioned on this page. Your BiteSyzed purchase is fully covered by our 14 days risk-free money-back guarantee. See for yourself how easy it is to create amazing short videos fast. And if you don't agree that BiteSyzed lives up to the hype, then we'll refund your every penny. But the clock is ticking. To get your exclusive access to BiteSyzed with the commercial license, all the bonuses, and exclusive training on how to profit from all of this, you need to act fast. BiteSyzed is currently available for a one-time fee without any monthly cost or setup fee. Click the button below to get your instant access right now. We look forward to helping you create content-rich, engaging, bite-sized video clips using AI.